Dear old me, I remember the days when I didn't think much about my heart. I went about my life busy with work, family, and everything in between. My heart just worked. It did its job silently, rhythmically, day after day. And while I did feel different, I couldn't imagine that this was happening inside. My energy, my passion, my rhythm was offbeat. My name is Gregory Jordan. I'm 77 years old, born and raised in Oakland, California. Yeah, I've been married for 52 years, my wife Victoria. We have 4 adult children, 12 grandchildren, and 1 great-grandchild. Well, I went into the service in 1965. I spent 4 years in the Air Force, and from there I kind of migrated into different professions, ultimately winding up as a financial consultant and a real estate broker. I started to notice small things. I would get winded walking up the stairs. Tying my shoes was a struggle. My legs would swell. At first I thought it was stress or just part of aging. But as time went on, I couldn't ignore it. Something was wrong. And my mood had shifted quite a bit. Well, I decided then that I needed to get in contact with my cardiologist. I had blood tests, I had x-rays. When I came back about a week later, he told me what suspected the problem was, and that was a leaky tricuspid valve. I didn't know it then, but my heart was struggling. I went to the doctor and heard words that I didn't fully understand. Tricuspid regurgitation, a condition where the tricuspid valve doesn't close properly, causing blood to flow backward and into the right atrium. It was just a small leak, but it was enough to affect my daily life. And I had to face the fact that this was something I needed to take very seriously. It wasn't easy, but I knew I had to take control of my health, and that's when I learned about the Abbott TriClip. With time, I started to feel better. I could breathe easier. I had more energy. So old me, I wish I could tell you not to ignore the small signs. I wish I could tell you to listen to your body and be good to your body. Cherish your health. It's possible to keep going and to live your life with a full heart.